What if the sweetest treasure wasn't gold, but sugarcane? This $60 billion crop's journey from field to factory is powered by cutting-edge agriculture technology, and it's more thrilling than you think. In Louisiana's sugarcane fields, the Case IH 8800, powered by a 353 horsepower C9 engine, works with GPS precision, slicing stalks cleanly while preserving roots. You're watching FarmForce, so hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment to keep this adventure alive. Turbofans remove leaves and tops in real time, and with the 9,230 cane haulouts, it processes up to 40 tons per hour, a perfect blend of raw power and sustainable agriculture technology. From here, the action only intensifies. Top-performing machines thunder forward, processing between 176,000 and 264,000 pounds per hour. The ground trembles as they cut, strip, and stack without pause. When a bin fills, a signal blinks like a beacon, summoning trucks that roll in within 3 minutes. The sugarcane's sweetness is locked in before the sun dips lower on the horizon. But speed alone isn't enough. Timing is everything. From field to factory, millions of tons race along highways and rail lines. Yet the clock is merciless. Within 24 hours, moisture begins to slip away. GPS tracking keeps each shipment flowing like clockwork. One misstep, one delay, and the field's hard-earned sweetness could vanish into the air. Then, the roar of industry takes over. At the Louisiana sugar mill, bulldozers growl as they shove 100,000 pounds of cane at a time, while excavators hoist towering 12-foot bundles onto steel conveyors. The air vibrates with the clash of metal and the hiss of steam. Sweet, grassy notes mingle with the scent of hot oil as colossal crushers, each grinding over 400,000 pounds per hour, devour every stalk, spilling thick juice into roaring channels. Love farming stories? Hit subscribe and join our corner where agriculture meets heart. From here, the transformation becomes almost magical. Inside, the factory hums like a living organism. Juice travels through crushers, heaters, and triple-stage filters, while glowing sensor panels display flow rates up to 1,500 gallons per minute. The steady rhythm is hypnotic, ancient farming heritage merging with modern agriculture technology to coax crystals from liquid gold. And as the process nears its climax, the centrifuge room bursts into motion. Spinning drums whirl at 1,200 revolutions per minute, flinging molasses away from sugar with pinpoint precision. Vacuum pans bubble gently at 160 degrees Celsius, holding the aroma of caramel without a hint of scorch. Every movement is calculated, every grain preserved. Flawless engineering for flawless sweetness. Finally, the journey reaches its polished conclusion. In Georgia's imperial sugar plant, robotic arms swing with dancer-like grace, stacking up to 2,000 bags a minute, each weighing exactly 2.2 pounds, while laser eyes inspect every seam. Conveyors hum softly, carrying over 260,000 pounds of perfect white sugar daily toward distant store shelves. Here, food processing becomes a symphony of precision, speed, and sustainability. Yet even as one harvest ends, another begins to take shape. When the busy season fades, the land stirs again with the promise of renewal. Automated planters roll forward, their metal arms pressing fresh cuttings into the soil with unerring accuracy. In a single day, they cover 20 hectares, leaving behind neat, endless rows that seem to promise next year's sweetness. And to nurture those rows, irrigation steps in as a gentle guardian. At 0.5 bar, the Seninger X-Cell Wobbler waters 2.4 hectares evenly, saving 30% more water than old methods and leaving soil undisturbed, a true dance of conservation and care. Beneath the surface, an even quieter hero works unseen. Netafim's subsurface drip lines whisper life into the roots. No evaporation, no waste, just steady sustenance. Losses drop by 40%, yields climb 25%, and the system sleeps quietly in place, season after season, ready for its next task. Meanwhile, protection remains a priority. The Belarus sprayer model 820 glides between rows, its slim tires pressing gently into the soil. Overhead, the sprayer arms missed a precise blend, while the Belarus 122 1.3 follows with its 2,000-liter tank. Together, they move like guardians, wrapping each stalk in a fine protective veil. And as the plants grow stronger, care shifts to keeping them clean. Degrassing machines hum to life, rubber paddles brushing away dry leaves in rhythmic strokes. Each hectare is cleared in just an hour, cutting labor by 75% and letting roots drink deeper. The ground smells fresher, the stalks stand taller, and the field feels reborn. At last, the cycle nears completion. Before the next harvest, flames flicker along the edges of the field. Controlled burning turns dead leaves to ash, releasing a faint, smoky scent into the dawn air. Timed with care, it readies the land for faster, cleaner cutting. So if you enjoyed this journey, give it a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next farming story.